Vejer de la Frontera, located in the province of Cadiz, is a picturesque town perched on a hilltop that offers visitors a stunning view of the surrounding landscapes. This charming town, with its narrow cobblestone streets and whitewashed houses, reflects the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. The town's Moorish architecture and medieval influences are immediately evident, making it a must-see destination for anyone interested in Andalusian culture and history. The town's historic old town is a labyrinth of whitewashed streets, squares, and courtyards that invite exploration. The winding alleys and hidden corners are perfect for leisurely strolls, as visitors can enjoy the peaceful atmosphere and take in the beauty of the town. The Castillo de Vejer, or Vejer Castle, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the town. This well-preserved medieval fortress offers panoramic views of the surrounding area, including the Atlantic Ocean and the nearby beaches of the Costa de la Luz. Vejer de la Frontera is renowned for its gastronomy, which blends the flavors of Andalusia with influences from both the Mediterranean and North Africa. The town is home to several traditional restaurants and tapas bars, where visitors can sample a variety of dishes, from fresh seafood to locally sourced meats. The region is particularly known for its tuna dishes, such as tuna tataki and tuna belly, which are a specialty of the coastal towns along the Costa de la Luz. A highlight of Vejer's cuisine is the famous torta de aceda, a sweet, olive oil-based cake that is a staple in Andalusian bakeries. This delicious treat is often enjoyed with a cup of coffee and is the perfect way to start the day while soaking in the tranquil atmosphere of the town. Additionally, visitors can explore the local markets, where fresh produce, handmade goods, and regional specialties are sold. These markets offer a glimpse into the daily life of the town's residents and are an ideal place to purchase souvenirs and taste authentic Andalusian products. Vejer de la Frontera is also known for its proximity to some of the most beautiful beaches in southern Spain. The Costa de la Luz is home to miles of golden sand beaches, such as El Palmar, which is just a short drive from Vejer. These beaches are perfect for a relaxing day by the sea, whether you're interested in swimming, surfing, or simply enjoying the natural beauty of the coastline. The area is also known for its windsurfing and kite surfing opportunities, attracting visitors looking for adventure on the water. In addition to its natural beauty, Vejer de la Frontera has a vibrant cultural scene. The town hosts several festivals and events throughout the year, including the Semana Santa, Holy Week, celebrations, which are an important part of Andalusian culture. During these events, the town comes alive with processions, music, and religious ceremonies, creating an atmosphere of devotion and celebration. The Feria de Vejer, held every summer, is another popular event, where the streets are filled with music, dancing, and traditional flamenco performances. The town is also home to several art galleries and craft shops, where local artisans showcase their work. Visitors can find everything from hand-painted ceramics to intricate jewelry and textiles, reflecting the region's rich cultural heritage. These shops offer a unique opportunity to take home a piece of Andalusian craftsmanship, whether as a keepsake or a gift for someone special. One of the most striking features of Vejer de la Frontera is its historic architecture, particularly the town's churches and mosques. The Iglesia del Divino Salvador, located in the heart of the old town, is an example of the town's religious history. The 18th century Baroque church is beautifully decorated and serves as a focal point for the town's spiritual life. The Santa Lucia Chapel, a small Moorish chapel, is another example of Vejer's diverse architectural heritage, combining elements of Islamic and Christian design. The town's location, perched high above the surrounding landscape, makes it an ideal spot for enjoying breathtaking sunset views. As the sun sets behind the hills, the town is bathed in a warm golden light, creating a magical atmosphere that draws photographers and visitors alike. The panoramic views from the town's hilltop vantage point extend across the Guadalquivir River, the Sierra Mountains, and the coastline, offering a rare opportunity to take in the beauty of southern Spain from above. Vejer de la Frontera has a relaxed pace of life that makes it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of larger cities. The town's small size and friendly locals make it feel like a step back in time, where traditions are still alive, and the rhythms of everyday life are slower and more peaceful. The town is a haven for nature lovers and those seeking to experience the authentic culture of Andalusia in an intimate and welcoming setting. The town's hospitality is another highlight of a visit to Vejer de la Frontera. Many small, family-run boutique hotels and guest houses are scattered throughout the town, offering a cozy and authentic stay for visitors. The local accommodations reflect the charm of the town, with many featuring traditional Andalusian decor, comfortable amenities, and stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Staying in Vejer allows visitors to experience the town's unique atmosphere at their own pace, whether by relaxing in a quiet courtyard or sipping coffee in one of the charming cafes. For those seeking to explore the surrounding area, Vejer is located near several other interesting destinations. The nearby town of Canil de la Frontera offers more stunning beaches, while Barbate is known for its tuna industry and coastal beauty. Tarifa, located at the southernmost point of Spain, is famous for its windsurfing and kiteboarding, as well as its proximity to Africa. The region is also home to several nature reserves and protected areas, making it an ideal base for outdoor enthusiasts. The town of Vejer de la Frontera embodies the essence of Andalusian charm. From its historic sites and traditional architecture to its relaxed atmosphere and natural beauty, it offers a perfect escape from the modern world. Whether you are looking to explore the town's rich history, enjoy its beautiful landscapes, or simply unwind by the sea, Vejer de la Frontera promises a memorable and enriching experience for all who visit. Vejer de la Frontera is also a perfect base for those interested in exploring the rural Andalusian landscape. The surrounding countryside is characterized by rolling hills, olive groves, and vast fields of wheat and sunflowers. The area is dotted with small farms, many of which produce high-quality olive oil, honey, and wine. Visitors can take part in guided tours through the countryside, learning about the local agricultural traditions and tasting the fresh, organic produce. This rural setting offers a peaceful retreat, far from the noise of urban life, where the only sounds are the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves in the wind. Vejer de la Frontera also has a growing reputation for being a hub for wellness and relaxation. Several spas and wellness centers have sprung up in recent years, offering visitors a chance to unwind and recharge. Many of these establishments offer a wide range of treatments, from traditional massages to holistic therapies and beauty treatments. Surrounded by nature and steeped in history, these spas provide the perfect atmosphere for relaxation, making Vejer an ideal place for a rejuvenating getaway. The town's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean also means that outdoor activities, such as surfing and windsurfing, are extremely popular. The nearby beaches of El Palmar and Las Cañas de Meca offer perfect conditions for these activities, with consistent waves and a laid-back atmosphere. These beaches are not as crowded as those found on the Mediterranean coast, allowing visitors to enjoy a more relaxed and authentic beach experience. Those looking for a peaceful day by the sea can take long walks along the sand dunes and explore the natural beauty of the coastline. Another appealing aspect of Vejer is its vibrant artistic community. The town has become a haven for artists, musicians, and writers who are drawn to its peaceful surroundings and inspirational landscape. Local galleries and studios often host exhibitions and workshops, offering visitors a chance to discover new talent and even purchase unique works of art. The town's artistic vibe is also reflected in its colorful festivals, where creative performances, including flamenco shows and live music events, take center stage. For food lovers, Vejer is known for its gastronomic heritage. The town is home to numerous traditional Andalusian restaurants and tapas bars, where visitors can savor local specialties like fried fish, seafood paella, and tortillas de camarones. Olive oil plays a key role in the town's cuisine, and local producers are happy to share the secrets of how the finest olive oils are made. In fact, visitors can tour local olive oil farms, where they can taste freshly pressed oil and learn about its role in Mediterranean cooking. This emphasis on local, high-quality ingredients is a major draw for those looking to experience the authentic flavors of Andalusia. Another reason to visit Vejer de la Frontera is its reputation as a hub for outdoor activities, including cycling and horseback riding. The rolling hills surrounding the town make it an ideal location for cycling enthusiasts who wish to experience the natural beauty of Andalusia on two wheels. The trails range from easy routes for beginners to more challenging paths for seasoned cyclists. Similarly, horseback riding is another popular activity, with several local stables offering guided tours through the picturesque countryside. Riding through the hills, past olive groves and farmland, provides an unforgettable way to experience the serenity of the region. Vejer is also renowned for its artisanal shops and craft stores, where visitors can find unique souvenirs and gifts to take home. From handmade ceramics to intricate embroidery and leather goods, the town offers a wide range of locally made products that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the area. Whether you're searching for a handcrafted vase, a beautiful scarf, or a piece of jewelry, the shops of Vejer offer a variety of items that make for perfect keepsakes of your time in this magical town. In addition to its cultural and historical significance, Vejer de la Frontera is also a place for those seeking tranquility and inner peace. The town has become a destination for yoga retreats and meditation workshops, attracting visitors who wish to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. With its peaceful atmosphere, stunning natural surroundings, and a community that values mindfulness and well-being, Vejer is the perfect place to recharge and find a sense of balance. The town's hospitality is another reason to visit, with many locally owned boutique hotels and guest houses offering personalized services to make guests feel at home. Whether you prefer a charming bed and breakfast or a luxurious boutique hotel with a stunning view, Vejer de la Frontera has options that cater to all tastes. The warm, welcoming atmosphere of the town is reflected in the friendliness of its residents, who are always happy to share information about local attractions, history, and culture. Vejer de la Frontera's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a perfect destination for any type of traveler. Whether you are looking for relaxation, adventure, or cultural exploration, this charming town has something to offer everyone. The town's rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant local life ensure that your visit will be an unforgettable experience. Whether it's wandering the narrow cobblestone streets, enjoying traditional Andalusian cuisine, or simply gazing at the sunset over the hills, Vejer de la Frontera is sure to leave a lasting impression. One of the most captivating features of Vejer de la Frontera is its remarkable architecture, which reflects its long and diverse history. The town is a fusion of Moorish, Jewish, and Christian influences, with narrow streets lined by whitewashed houses, characteristic of the Andalusian style. The rooftop terraces of many homes offer panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, and the town's traditional white facades and colorful flower-filled balconies add to its charm. Many of the buildings have been meticulously preserved, making the town feel like a step back in time. Vejer is also a town that has embraced modern culture and artistic expression, hosting a variety of art exhibitions, performances, and local festivals throughout the year. The town is home to a thriving creative community, with local artists and craftsmen showcasing their works in galleries and open spaces. The town's commitment to the arts is evident in its vibrant cultural scene, with contemporary exhibitions and creative workshops offering visitors the chance to immerse themselves in the local art scene and perhaps even create their own masterpieces.